Welcome to the dynamic city of Seoul, where ancient traditions blend seamlessly with modern innovation. Join us on an exciting journey through Seoul's iconic landmarks, cultural neighborhoods, and vibrant streets that define the spirit of South Korea. Our adventure begins amidst the captivating contrast of Seoul's old and new. Explore the grandeur of its historic palaces, immerse yourself in bustling markets, and embrace the vibrant colors of its lively streets. Behold the iconic Seoul Tower, a symbol of Seoul's modernity and love for innovation. Witness the scenic beauty of the Han River, which weaves through the heart of the city. Step into Seoul's history by visiting its stunning palaces. Gyeongbokgung and Changdeokgung Palace offer glimpses into the country's rich heritage and royal legacy. Indulge in the delectable flavors of Korean cuisine, from sizzling street food to savory traditional dishes. Seoul's culinary scene is a journey of taste and culture. Experience Seoul's modernity as you explore its contemporary neighborhoods and vibrant shopping districts. From Gangnam to Myeongdong, the city's diversity shines. Immerse yourself in Seoul's cultural villages, where traditions come alive. Explore the world of K-pop and the energetic spirit that captivates the world. As the sun sets, Seoul transforms into a mesmerizing panorama of lights, embodying the city's dynamic spirit. Join us in celebrating the magic of Seoul, a city that bridges the past and the future. Whether you're a history enthusiast, a food lover, a K-pop fan, or simply seeking urban exploration, Seoul promises an unforgettable journey. Hit that like button, share the adventure with fellow travelers, and subscribe for more captivating travel content.